Philippines. Good morning, world. Good morning, Metro Manila. And good morning, Metro Cebu. This is your servant, Dr. James Lopez, current student of Harvard, USA. Welcome to our series this month up to month of December. Christmas songs with great blessings. Christmas is just around the corner, and that means one thing. We're playing, we're singing, and we're listening to our favorite Christmas songs. And in our series, as you all know, I've already done with Joy to the World, and also last Sunday, A Little Town of Bethlehem. And today, we're going to look into the wonderful lyrics, the message of these wonderful Christian songs entitled The First Noel. We're honest, very few of us, kakaunti lang sa atin, ang talagang nakakaunawa ng ibig sabihin ng kantang yan. Noel. What Noel means? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ano kaugnayan niya sa Pasko? So, this morning, in today's video or tutorial, we will discover first, what is the meaning of this word Noel? No? Ano ba talaga ibig sabihin yan? Saan ba galing yan? At anong ibig sabihin yan? And as we are doing for the 2 weeks now, for 2 Sundays, we're gonna look at the lyrics. Ihimay-himayin natin yung mga lyrics yan. At iintindihin natin